Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Now, the symbol of urban area football supremacy is being decided at the National Stadium right now with Jamaica College and St. Andrew Technical locked at 1-1. Let's have a look at those goals earlier.
It has been an interesting 29 minutes so far. We have seen. This is JC now. Kevin Rochester. This looks promising. How promising will this be? Should be 1-0. It is 1-0. Jamaica College, the reigning champions, have struck on 29 minutes. They soaked up a lot of pressure from early. And when it mattered, when the opportunity presented itself, JC took it, and it took it in the affirmative. JC 1, St. Andrew Technical 0. It's corner kick so far. And here they come now into the area. It's one apiece. Minutes to go before the halftime break. St. Andrew Technical, through David Smith, are back on level terms. They are back, and they are back in business in the affirmative. It's 1-1.
Like David Banner turning into the Incredible Hulk, David Smith there just emerged like the monster and got something on that ball and got it into the back of the net.